Alright, hi there. This is DayTraderRockStar. Getting you a late watch list out for Monday. Whatever day this is, November 19th it looks like. November 19th. Pre-market here, almost 9 o'clock. Just looking at some things. Notice the futures are down. Looks like we're going to have a start off with a down day here. S&P futures are down 8. Dow futures are down 60 something, 65, etc., etc., etc. First thing that strikes me that we have to watch out here is the S&P. Considering the major market players look at the S&P before anything else, we're right at support here, a major support, which they were considering about 1450. Well, broke a little through there, we bounced, and then we came back and retested it on Friday, and then we bounced off of it. But we're right on the bottom. I think we're going to get a push down there today. If we make a push down there, we could see some selling. And this is on the 60-minute chart. But again, you know, we have a nice triangle. So if we do hold support here and come back above this trend line down, this trend line down eventually will be a place to place a trade. I think we're going to be about down below this trend line for a while. And once we break through that, then we might have a chance to see a reversal of trend. So I'd keep the 60-minute trend line up and watching on the S&P or the INX. Just looking at this on the daily chart, you get a better idea that we have a this is almost like a bear flag right here. We have a downward move down, and we have a little rebound up, and then coming right back. We gave that pop that we had, such an aggressive pop last week. We gave that back. We're holding right above that. So, you know, people were predicting we were going to come down and retest the lows. So it looks like if we break this line here, we will do that. It's hard to go long when you see this is happening around you. So with that in mind, I want to tell you a couple stocks that I'm looking at and not get carried away here. Again, it's very important to have patience in this market. If you can have the patience and ride out these moves until the market kind of gets some footing under it and gives us some plays, then it's very easy to make money. And actually, in a game like this, not losing money is making money. All right, that's the rule number one today. Not losing money is making money, because that money is going to bring you cheaper. You know, you could use that money to buy stocks cheaper down the road, and hence you're going to make more money. So just a timing and a waiting game. All right. Just looking at the housing stocks, I'd like to start keeping these on my watch list, especially because the CTX pulling away from this moving average here, the 50-day moving average. Just pulling away from it a little here. We definitely have a beautiful trend line down here, and that's going to explode when we do get a move off of that. So I'm looking at some support, probably in the maybe in the $19-20 area. I'd be considered taking some of this long. Here's an interesting stock. And now I had a bunch of stuff up here earlier. I'm sorry about that page right there. That just messed you up there. Sorry. Oh my God, I'm messing my video up. Dish Networks. All right, just see if I can bring this up fast enough for you so I don't waste too much time. But this was in Barron's over the weekend, and I'll bring it to you fast. Basically, what it's saying: Dish and Dish Networks or EchoStar had a deal. Let me see. We got the EchoStar saying in the past, saying that in the past, Price reportedly prevented the marriage with AT&T. AT&T supposedly had offered $65 a share. All right, so this is back here when AT&T supposedly offered $65 a share, and Dish's CEO Charles Ergen had demanded $75. So since that deal broke apart, Dish EchoStar came all the way back and is now trading right in the high 30s, low 40 area, which is the big discount. So now they're saying that in the wake of EchoStar's disappointing third quarter earnings, AT&T would like to get the deal done quickly for two reasons. First, it would have an agreement in place before the presidential election. Pushing a deal of this size through the regulatory system takes time, so it may have to be done in a month or so. AT&T also said that it will decide by year's end which satellite provider it will use to offer its telephone customers video service. AT&T has a joint venture with EchoStar, but Bell South, which AT&T brought in 2006, works with DirecTV, soon to be owned by Liberty Media. So we have a lot of things going in, and I think they're saying this is an actual, could actually happen. So I just keep this on your watch list and watch for a playing dish on an AT&T rumored merger and stuff, all that kind of good stuff. E-Trade Financial also on Friday coming out saying that Ameritrade was interested in purchasing their retail division. All right, again, E-Trade really crushed over the last week, and I expect to see a rebound back up to the $7 area. So look for some more rumors to keep this one at these levels. Earnings out tomorrow morning. One that you might be interested in is GameStop. Now, I don't know if anybody's following video games out there, but they're getting better and better each day. So I'm just, I'm very curious coming into the holiday season how GameStop is going to guide. I think they're going to guide up nicely. So we're going to watch this one. Remember, they're going to come out with earnings tomorrow morning, so I do believe this one will be in play today. The Friday's chart, we sold off and we came back. So, it gives us some points of, a place. I would definitely have a trade placed above Friday's high. Actually, let's take a look. Definitely above Thursday's high, but Friday's high is probably good enough for a trade too. But with this market gapping down like this, all these stocks should be approached with caution. Yahoo also in play. Henry Blodgett came out on his blog saying that Microsoft needs to acquire Yahoo if they have any chance of gaining in the advertisement field and search revenues and stuff. They need Yahoo. So nice move in Yahoo on Fridays. This should see a continuation move. I do believe it was gapped up here pre-market. And the last one, but not least, I think Amazon has gotten a nice pullback coming into this buying season, holiday season, sort of say. I use Amazon to buy everything. So watch Amazon. If we do get a spike down lower here, for any reason, I don't know, look for some strong support at the 200-day moving average. I don't even think we're going to get down there, but just keep it on your watch list. All right? That's it for now. I'll see you trading. I had a server problem this morning, so I don't know if anybody's out there hearing me or whatever, but DayTraderRadio.com, trading live on the radio, on the internet. Just go to www.DayTraderRadio.com. This week is going to be very hectic because I have relatives over, so I'm not going to be trading full time and I won't be on the radio full time. But starting next week, you're going to get the best coverage ever. So I'll talk to you at the open.